Today is the last day of the second generation trains of the Glasgow Subway will run on the network. Well, just a loop. And yeah, let's take a look on. That sounds fun. It is in the inner circle. As you can see, the inner circle is a bit crowded, but the outer is fine. And then we got this happening. The train just whizzed past through without stopping at the platform.
Well, that's very fun.
Anyways, I moved to the next station, Cockedens, to catch the train because it's easier when you have a single platform. There she is. And we're off. I don't really have a plan on how I would like to ride these trains apart from catching them as much as possible today. But first, I have some business to do at Bridge Street, so I'm gonna drop off there and then do my business and come back later. And we got a surprise! At Bridge Street Station, the two older trains met each other and gave the chance for sweet shots and for people to switch between them. And here are both of the trains departing from Bridge Street Station. After I finished what I had to do, I waited for the next old train on the inner circle to come since I've already done the outer. But then I decided to ride it from the next two stations, which is Shilswood Station, to catch it sooner. After taking those nice pictures with my camera, it's time to fully enjoy these old trains. For the last day of the service, two trains of the second generation subway trains were put into service. These are formed of cars 119, 203 and 103 for the outer circle, and then on the inner circle, it is formed by cars 106, 203 and 120. My plan was to ride the entirety of the inner circle on this same train while taking pictures along the ride. And then I'll change to the outer circle again when the old trains pass each other again to ride the entirety of the outer circle. Since I just want to ride the trains now, enjoy a montage of these wonderful old trains on its last farewell day. At about 4:55 p.m., I was on the outer circle train that has just completed its loop at Govan. And yes, it did run a bit longer than it was scheduled, but now we are going for the real last ride for the outer circle. Usually for outer circle trains, they terminate at Ibrox and go into the depot. But in this rare occasion, it terminates at Govan instead and head back in reverse into the depot. And there they go. One last trip. And it's all over. And here it is. Here comes the very last stop for the second generation trains, the Glasgow Subway, in the final day of their service. It's the end of the line for these iconic orange trains.
Everybody up!
And that's all. That's the end for end of the line for the second generation Glasgow Subway trains. It's been a real good memory with them. I'm outside Govan Station on a slightly slanted bench, so forgive me if my hand is here because I'm holding my bag, which is where I place the camera right now. So yeah. So it's finished, it's a wrap. The end of the line for the old trains of the Glasgow Subway. I guess there's a lot to be nostalgic about it. There's a lot to reminisce about it because I've been there commuting using it for a couple of years now. And when I look back, it's very nostalgic. I think what struck to me about the subways that I've been on the subway many times. I use it almost every day to commute, to get around the city, to get to my friend's house. And you've seen it gets really nostalgic, and I've seen so many stuff on there, so many wild stuffs, all the mini parties that are going on over there, people doing sub crawl, a lot of weird stuffs. You see a lot of faces on there, so it's just nostalgic and amazing that really it really left something inside me. And I'm glad that I could experience before they finally gone. It's a piece of history and it's hard to preserve, it seems, due to its like bit quirky gauge. I just hope they find a home somewhere. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I guess now, welcome to the new age of the Glasgow Subway. Enjoy the new trains, and if you like this video, leave a like, press subscribe, and see you on the next video. This was me trying to film here. I was like holding this so it won't fall, or I was like stretching my legs out so it won't fall. Use this as a stand too. It is tiring. Well, I'm a shy guy. I don't really like to film around people, so yeah.